Hey guys, this is Jen. So let's start. So I'm gonna teach you about domains, a quick overview so you can buy or connect your existing domains. So click this if you want to buy a new domain from Shopify itself. But I would actually highly recommend to just simply buy a domain from Shopify because it's really affordable. See, it's only $14 per year, not per month, per year. But if you already have an existing domain, like it's easy. You can just choose this and there'll be a few instructions you need to follow it and they'll be connected right away. Okay, so it's very understandable. It's very self-explanatory, guys. So let's go to preferences. In this video, I'm just gonna teach you the Google and Google Analytics and also for your title and description. So what's really important about this title and description is this is for your Google ranking. So you really need to make sure that you put keywords on your title, including your description, so that you're gonna be searchable. You'll be more likely recommended by Google. So let me show you guys why it's important. Okay, yeah, right here, let's go to Google and let's search random things like high heels, for example. Let's see their meta description. So as you can see here, they put keywords right there. They have descriptions and title of their post right here, high heels. Like they always mention it at least twice or 3 times in their description. That's why it's really important. Alright, so if you want to learn more, I'll upload additional videos about marketing and SEO. So this time, let's go to Google Analytics. This is for you to be able to track records about your customers' activity and be more effective when it comes to marketing. So here we need to post a code. So in order for us to do that, we need to go to Google Analytics. Let's just search it here. Click that. We're gonna create our account. It's gonna be so quick, guys. Okay, just fill these up. It's very self-explanatory. Just gonna put busy tech for the sake of tutorial. The name of your website and the link. So this one. And then just paste it here. Right there. And the category. Okay. And I'm going to avoid all these because I don't want my email account to receive a lot of emails. And these are their terms of services. Just read it and just accept. Accept. I accept. Okay. Just wait a sec and there we go. Now we have our tracking ID and there's the code that we need to paste in our Shopify website here. So let's go back to Google Analytics. Just copy this and paste it. Right here. And click save. So it's really simple, guys. That's it. Now we have our Google Analytics account. So in the next tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to set up Facebook Pixel. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.